Hi friends, welcome to CDCS lectures UCP 600 Article 17 Original documents and copies. At least one original of each document stipulated in the credit must be presented. Now many of the students confuse this. I'll tell you why. Because it said at least one document must be presented. When? When? Means the question is when. The question is when it is asked that in the LC says simply that one invoice, or it says documents required invoice. That's it. If it says this, that documents required invoice, then it means that at least one document you have to present when it's the original. But when it says three copies or three original invoices, in that case what you have to do is you have to bring whatever copies have been asked. Okay? It means that. It doesn't mean every time you'll follow this because we many times mistake this. Okay? For example, let me show this. See, documents required. Commercial invoice and three copies. Now it's said, okay. Now look at this. Commercial invoice and three copies. Okay. Then full set of bill, onboard bill of lading. Insurance certificate. Now look at this. Insurance certificate. Certificate of origin. Now what do you mean by this? Will I produce insurance certificate, a copy of this? Will I produce certificate of origin, copy of this? Here it's clearly mentioned. Even here, commercial invoice and three copies. So here, at least you can bifurcate that these are copies, this is original. But here, nothing you can bifurcate. In this case, whenever nothing is mentioned, you have to produce at least one original. This is the case. But when it is asked full set of onboard bill of lading, then it doesn't mean at least one. Then it means full set. Okay. So this rule applies only to whenever it's not stated. Only name is stated. Okay. A bank shall treat as an original any document bearing an apparently original signature, mark, stamp, or label of the issuer of the document unless the document itself indicates that it's not original. Means what? What do you mean by this? See, a bank shall treat as an original any document. Now, suppose if I give you a photocopy, okay, and I mark an original signature. Suppose if it's an invoice, okay, let's say invoice. Okay, this is the invoice. Let's say this is the invoice. Now, if I take a photocopy of this is original. Original means you are seeing it on the letterhead. Okay. Now, what do I take? What do I do? I take a photocopy of this. Okay. So now this is a photocopy or any means, not only photocopy, it can be anything which is not original. And what do I do? I originally stamp on it, stamp, original. What does it mean? Stamp and sign, let's say, sign also. Sign has a different meanings nowadays. So originally sign and stamp. In this case, what do you mean by this? It means that this photocopy has become an original now. This photocopy has become an original. Why? Because it is signed and stamped originally. Okay. So it bears an apparently original signature, mark, stamp, and or label of the issuer of the document, unless the document itself indicates it's not original. If the document says that, see like this. If this document says something like third copy, okay, third copy. If I'm saying this is the third copy, this is the third, something like this I write. This is the third copy, like this I write, third copy, and then I stamp. Then it means that this is the third copy because it's stating, actually it's stating that it's not original. The document will state that it's not original. So it's not original in that case. Unless a document indicates otherwise, see, unless a document indicates otherwise, a bank will also accept the document as original if, means if the document does not state, normal document is present, okay, an invoice is presented, or a BL copy is presented, okay. A bank will also accept the document as original if appears to be written, typed, perforated, or stamped by the document issuer's hand. Hand means I have signed it, personally done something on this. So that will be treated as original. Written, typed, perforated, or stamped by the document issuer's hand. Okay. So by hand, if I have signed it, I have stamped it. So this was it about in the free video. Okay. To follow more further, means or you to if you are planning to give the CDCS exam, kindly follow our channel. Okay. Firstly, CDCS Adda247. Also, join our courses. See, CDCS directly there is a special course. All the 5 elements are covered: UCP, ISP, ISBP, URR, EUCP, everything, latest versions. Okay, so join them SM. You get mock test, online live classes. Mock tests are same as that of your exam. Okay, same. In the sense, you'll be getting FODC and MGDC both. You can go through the details. See, any query you can call this 919240023281. Any country you might be. See, any country, call it, call this number. Okay. See, I'll give you an offer also. There's an offer over here. Use the code Vishal Sir. See, put this code Vishal Sir, VISHALSIR. Okay, and then 50, 50. Vishal Sir 50. Just put this, click on apply. See this. The amount becomes half. Okay. Now, some of them might be facing, some of you students might be facing that, sir, this amount is also heavy. I want some installments. So that is also available. Call on this number 919240023281 and you'll get the installments also. Okay. If you are calling from any country, let you be from any country, call this number. If the app is not available in your country, then also call this number. You'll get some solution. Don't worry about that. Okay. So do join the classes, do join the CDCS batches. See, you'll see it over here. All the elements, all the 5 subjects are covered in details, along with not only these 5 subjects. AML is also covered, as well as Incoterms are covered separately. Okay, so don't miss this. Okay.